This is the brand new CUKTECH 15 Ultra Power Bank along with a 100-watt GaN charger and a mini 65-watt GaN fast charger. I have heard a lot about this brand from different tech creators on YouTube, so I thought why not give them a try. CUKTECH has been around for quite a while and is closely connected to Xiaomi, producing some great products. The first thing I check when buying a power bank is whether it can be taken on a plane. Well, no worries here, this is a CUKTECH 20,000 mAh power bank and it's fully safe for air travel. Its design is nice and stands out from the crowd. The CUKTECH 15 Ultra power bank has an impressive capacity and supports self-charging at 165 watt. When you plug both Type-C ports in, it uses them simultaneously to fully charge in just 45 minutes, which is incredible. The maximum output from a single port is 140 watt. But if you use all the ports together, the power is intelligently distributed, allowing up to 210 watt, which is excellent for a power bank. Inside the box, you can find a Type-C to Type-C charging cable that can handle the 140 watt output, and it comes with a nice little travel pouch to prevent scratches. The screen is 1.3 inches and shows the various watt for recharge and discharge rates. You can tap the screen to switch between input and output, or even have both charging and discharge at the same time. So if you only want input or output, you can select that as well. And if you long press the button, you can keep the screen on. This is the CUKTECH 100-watt 3rd generation GaN charger. It comes with a 1.5 meter cable in the box, supports up to 100-watt max fast charging, and features 3 charging ports. It's portable and compact, making it compatible with all your devices. The charger supports almost every charging protocol, including PD, PPS, Xiaomi's proprietary charging, and Apple's charging protocol. This means you can charge a wide range of devices from phones to laptops. Now let's talk about the charging output. If you are using a single port, the C1 or C2 port each offer a maximum of 100 watt, while the USB-A port provides a maximum of 22.5 watt. However, if you use the C1 and C2 ports together, you will get 65 watt from the C1 port and 33 watt from the C2 port. And if you use either the C1 or C2 port along with the USB-A port, it will deliver 65 watt from the C1 or C2 port and 22.5 watt from the USB-A port. Well, if you are using all 3 ports at once, the charger intelligently divides the output. C1 gets 45 watt, C2 gets 33 watt, and USB-A gets 18 watt max. It's really important to understand the product you are buying. So I hope this clears up any questions you have about the CUKTECH 100 watt max GaN charger. This is the CUKTECH 65 watt 3rd generation GaN fast charger, but it's mini in size compared to the CUKTECH 100 watt charger. Just look at the design. It's smaller and lightweight. It's also compatible with all devices but does not come with a charging cable. Despite its smaller size, it supports up to 65 watt max fast charging and features 3 charging ports. It's portable and compact. Yes guys, it supports PD, PPS, Xiaomi's proprietary charging, and Apple's charging protocol as well. This means you can charge a wide range of devices from phones to laptops, but at a 65 watt max speed. If you are using a single port, C1 offers 65 watt, C2 offers 33 watt, and USB-A provides a maximum of 22.5 watt. However, if you use both C1 and C2 ports together, you will get 45 watt from C1 and 20 watt from C2. And if you are using all 3 ports at once, you will get a maximum of 45 watt from C1, 7.5 watt from C2, and 7.5 watt from USB-A. Overall, this is one-time investment in reliable and high-quality products, whether you are looking for fast charging or a portable power solution. If you are in the market for dependable tech accessories, I think these products are worth considering. You can check the purchase link in the description. And thank you for watching Mr. Lava English Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.